A major legal defeat for accused Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann tonight. The judge on Long Island today ruled that DNA evidence that prosecutors claim link him to 6 of the 7 victims can be used as evidence in the case. Not only is the decision crucial for the future of the trial, it is the first time this new type of DNA analysis will be permitted as evidence in a New York court. Eyewitness News reporter Stacey Sager has the latest.
In court in Riverhead, a win for the Suffolk County District Attorney, but also a sign that the high-profile case against the alleged Gilgo serial killer, Rex Heuermann, is moving full speed ahead. A new type of DNA never used before against any defendant like this in court is now being permitted by the judge.
One simple reason, the science was on our side, and that's why we won.
The science involves fragments of DNA found at crime scenes involving 6 of the 7 alleged Gilgo victims, hairs tied to Heuermann and his family. Experts say it's known as nuclear DNA, which has been used clinically, but not in a case like this. And it could have broader implications for other cold cases.
Because this technology allows us to do what we couldn't do before with old samples, degraded samples, samples that are just too small, there's just too little DNA. This opens up the doors to use samples that we didn't even think we could.
But it also opens doors for the defense.
Hopefully enlighten the jury where they'll neutralize this type of testimony and they won't give it any credit. And we're back to mitochondrial DNA.
Certainly there's plenty of that, such as the DNA matched to this pizza box near Heuermann's Manhattan office, and the more traditional evidence of phone records and witnesses placing his vehicle at the crime scene.
We put our case together, and the defense challenges that case any way, shape, or form.
The defense also planning yet another motion to challenge the judge's ruling that the new DNA is accepted as reliable in the scientific community. Meanwhile, relatives of victims standing behind prosecutors today, but not commenting publicly on a case that has now spanned 3 decades and a trial that has yet to begin.
Now, as for the defense's latest motion, the judge will rule on that on September 23rd. At that point, the judge will also decide if this will be one trial with all 7 victims included. That's what the prosecution prefers. In Riverhead, I'm Stacey Sager, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.